Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Infiniti Q50. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need about 5 quarts of new engine oil, typically 5W30 synthetic, and a new oil filter. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine has cooled down for at least 30 minutes before starting, ensuring your safety throughout the process. Now, let's get that old oil out. Safely lift your Infiniti Q50 using a jack and jack stands or drive it onto ramps. Locate the oil drain plug, which is typically a 13mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old, dark engine oil to flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Locate the old oil filter, usually near the front of the engine. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully remove it, being prepared for a small amount of residual oil. Apply a thin film of new engine oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it securely. Finally, let's add the fresh oil and perform some crucial checks. Carefully pour about 5 quarts of the recommended 5W30 synthetic engine oil into the oil fill cap. Replace the cap, then start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Check underneath for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.